So the project was to make a derby car that is raceable, and it has to have at least 3 parts that you can, take them out and put them back together.
Today I made it to 3rd place, and this is my card. I'm surprised I won because I've had the most problems with printing this and making it work, but it worked.
I was very surprised because Carlos, which is the 2nd place winner, he was before he kept beating me when we did trials, but at the end I was surprised that I beat him.
The challenge was a spoiler because I had to angle it in a certain way and it kept failing, and then it finally worked. That's the only challenge I had with the car. What I like about it is that I got to paint it. I just thought of it like a mirage, so I just based it off of from the bottom of the earth to the top of the sky.
The challenge which I faced was with my weights, especially trying to put them in an angle. So I asked advanced manufacturing, and we did a couple of trials, and then at the end it did fit. It took about a week.
If it wasn't for the computers crashing every 2 minutes, 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks.
I did various designs. At first I just did just a blue. I painted the whole thing blue, but then I was I want to put a little bit more creativity into it. So I did the SpongeBob theme.
First place, number 3, Regina. Second place, number 2, Carlos. In 3rd place, number 12, Hinge.